Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 28th of September till 4th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Aquarians for the coming week, that is from 28th of September till 4th of October, please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. Okay. At the back of the deck, it's the World card. So it seems like there's some kind of a completion with in a relationship or a phase of your life, okay, where something is completed over here. Your past energies are 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords and Justice. So it looks like, you know, you tried in your past, you tried to just free yourself. You found, like, you actually thought that your growth is important, so that is why when you were feeling restricted, you might be in a relationship or something like that where you were feeling like there was injustice happening with you, so you tried to free yourself and you actually took a step ahead, and you or you put the efforts on your growth, on yourself. Okay, the present energies are 3 of Swords, the Lovers and 6 of Cups. So it looks like there is a heartbreak over here, you know, some kind of breakup happening with someone whom you really loved. It is a very painful, very painful. It is seeming it was really long-term relationship, might be 6-7 years relationship, 3 to 6 years relationship it is coming up. So it was a really long-term relationship, more than that as well, and it is like really something has been broken. Your future energies, the Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Wands and the Magician. So it's like, you know, when you try to make things happen, because you are actually, you're manifesting in your future. I'm seeing you are trying to attract the positive energies towards you. You are actually turning some kind of a cycle, because you are not able to let this thing go. No, you are not letting this thing go. Let's clarify your energies. Let's clarify the World card over here. Why the World card is over here for my Aquarius in the overall energy as the World card. Why the World card is here. Why the World card is here, please. Five of Swords, 10 of Pentacles and Page of Swords. Yeah. Some kind of a deception might have happened over here, because, you know, this was a really long-term relationship. It was really stable. It was like a fulfilling relationship, very beautiful. consistency was there, everything was good in this relationship, but something happened and you felt that, you ended this thing, I feel. Okay, let's see why the Seven of Pentacles is here in the past energies. Why the Seven of Pentacles is here in the past energies for Aquarians. The World again, Ace of Rods, Queen of Cups and the Moon. Yes, something was hidden in this thing. You never knew that what is happening. You felt restricted. You felt that something is not letting you move on. Something is there which is actually, you are feeling that you are not in a good angle. You are in a place where nothing is by your side. You are feeling that way over here. Your intuitions talked with you. Your intuitions told you something which was really hidden and you actually found out. This was something new for you because it was really, it was like you were fearing, you were feeling like it's over, everything is over, everything's finished, and you were in that stage where you couldn't move, you couldn't do anything, there was no help, there was nothing. All you could do was just stay over this situation and see what is happening, because you were not able to do anything in this situation. No, you were really, it was really bad situation you were dealing with from, and that is why at present as well, all these things actually collaborated. So this was something which is really, long term, and at present everything, when they are ending, you are feeling as if like crying, and you are feeling, nostalgia is there, something, how to say this, it's a very, painful feeling over here. Let's see what the Lovers is here in the present energies. Lovers. Why the Lovers is here, please? Yeah, there's an ending over here. With the Lovers, the ending is here because it was a long-term relationship, because of something new and something, which is not a permanent thing, which is just somebody over here ended a very long-term relationship. Somebody ended a very beautiful, that love feeling over here because of new beginnings, something new, which is why I'm seeing that your person is here who has ended this thing, and you were standing over there, you were crying, and you were saying that don't go, and it's you who is actually feeling, you are in that traumatic, you are in that, traumatic place over here. With the Fool card, it's like this person is trying to enter into a new world of his or her life, and you are standing there, you are telling this person don't go, don't leave me, and this person is still going. See how this person is living, but the dog, see, he is trying to tell this person that like don't go, but he is not listening to anyone. So you are in that stage over here where the person is not even listening to you. Let's see why the Wheel of Fortune is here. The Magician and Three of Cups. Yeah, so a time is going to come where I'm seeing that you are manifesting this person towards you. Let's first clarify this Ten of Wands. Why this Ten of Wands is here, and why is this Magician here? Let's see. Four of Cups, Six of Cups, and Eight of Wands. Yeah. You are not in a place, you are trying to, you are very positive, you are very positive Aquarius. You are like, you are putting efforts towards something, because this person of yours is in the middle of, two people, and this person is trying to, trying to manifest. He or she, whosoever this person is, it does not mean about the genitalia. So whosoever person is this, he or she is actually trying to be in a place where he can have both the people, both of you, and you are like, no, you cannot have two. Okay, you cannot have both the persons. So you have to manifest. So that is why I'm seeing that you are manifesting, you are trying to attract him with the positivity towards you. You are putting efforts in this relationship in the future as well, because this person is not letting go, and you are also not letting go of this person as well. So it's a give and take relationship. Okay, you are trying to create a balance in the relationship. You are the one who is actually putting efforts, and all your passionate energy, your energies are all into this thing, because you are not going to let it go, and things will really turn in your favor over here, I'm seeing. All right, so that is all, my Aquarius, that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.